In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply adjustments to all clips in CapCut PC. If you want to color grade your whole video or make simple changes like brightness, contrast, or saturation without going through each clip one at a time. This is one of the easiest methods to use. It saves a lot of time and helps keep your entire project looking consistent from beginning to end. To get started, we're going to create a master adjustment track. Go to the top left menu bar in CapCut PC and click on Adjustment. From there, choose Custom Adjustment. Once it appears, drag that adjustment block down onto track lane 2, placing it directly above all of your video clips on the timeline. This is important because anything underneath that adjustment layer can be affected by the changes you make. Now that the adjustment layer is in place, the next step is to make sure it covers all of your footage. Move your cursor to the outer right edge of the adjustment layer until you can resize it, then click and drag it all the way to the end of your project. By extending it across the full timeline, you're telling CapCut to apply those visual changes to every clip sitting below that layer. This is the key to making global adjustments quickly and cleanly. Once that's done, you can start adjusting your visuals. Click on the adjustment layer so it's highlighted. Then look over to the top right Properties panel. This is where you can tweak settings like temperature, contrast, and saturation. As you move those sliders, every video clip underneath the adjustment layer updates automatically. That means you can preview your overall look in real time and fine-tune it until the whole video feels balanced and polished. There's also another useful option built into CapCut. If you already adjusted one clip directly and you like the way it looks, you can use that as the template for the rest of your project. Just go to the very bottom of the Adjustments panel and click Apply to All. CapCut will instantly push those same settings across every clip, which is especially helpful if you've already dialed in a look and don't want to rebuild it from scratch using an adjustment layer. And that's it! You now know 2 fast ways to apply adjustments across your full video in CapCut PC, making your editing process smoother, faster, and much more consistent. You're all set, done.